The power of thought. What you think about, you bring about. My imagined dream is becoming a reality. My crafting cottage sitting over there. I'll give you a little sneak peek of some of the things ongoing towards my crafting cottage. When it was just a dream, a hope, I began doing little things to dress up the entrance to my crafting cottage by developing a fairy garden around the base of an oak tree, which marks the beginning pathway towards my eventual dream cottage, my special creative space. My husband, my grandson, and my son are helping me to remove the tree stumps for the area that will be my crafting cottage. While waiting for the time to build, I did what I could as the dream was developing in my head. But I'm making these stones for my walk path. It's going to go to my future crafting cottage. That's what this project is. In the spring of 2023, we began building my dream studio. It will be where I draw, paint, craft, sew, make cards, make baskets, and make dollhouses, create signs, and all sorts of other creative activities. It will be a private place for me to work in peace without noisy background sounds as I continue to record videos for my YouTube channel. My son Jonathan is my carpenter, who has built most of the structure with some help from my husband and myself. I am so excited for the potential of this building. The cottage is nestled among the trees in the bit of forest we have towards the back of our property. The inside space is 16 by 20 with 9-foot ceilings. I have a porch on 2 sides. The main structure is up. It just needs finishing details such as roofing materials, siding, a door, and trim work. The roof is fully waterproofed. It is now time to install the windows. If you would like to send support towards this project, please see the links in the description below this video. And I need to figure out what I want to do for the steps. What to be made of. I don't think I want them to be wood. I'm thinking about brick, but I'm not sure. I may need to put steps on the front as well, because it'll make it'll be right in front of the door, plus it'll be a short walk to the woodwork shop. And the first window is in. This window will be above my card and scrapbooking making corner with a corner desk. It is on the front of the cabin near the door. Taping the windows to seal against wind and rain. bending the frame. The other corner's got it too. These two windows will be my soft seating area where I want to have a sofa fold-out bed. In this area, I will sit or crochet or knit or make baskets or visit with a friend. The view overlooks my chickens. Careful.
Of course, sir. It's right there. I can hold up the table.
Recording, but I don't need to continue.
The top's fitting in easy, and even that side's just this plastic edge. Not that.
John, you just bent the corner of the frame.
It's fine. It's the edge.
Outside these windows, on the porch, I plan to have a small table and 2 chairs. At the far end of the porch, I will have a bench, because sometimes I like to sit outside when I make baskets. Here is the inside look. The front, entrance, seating area, art corner. The back window will be above the utility sink where I will wash my brushes out. Here is the layout of the whole space with a center work island. My building is well sealed. So my cottage looks like a little house now. It has windows and a porch. I still need to buy a door, and it's practically dried in. I guess once I get the door in, I can call it dried in. I haven't picked out the door yet. The main structure is built. We just have some finishing details for the exterior. We need roofing materials, which we're working on a plan to try to get roofing, and then we need siding, and then the exterior will be complete. Well, actually no, we've got to work on the eaves, and I have to think about what what I'm going to do for the underside of the porch roof. It might be nice to have something there too. So yeah, there's always a lot of stuff. And then there's trim work, and oh, there's always one more thing. Thanks for watching.